Good evening, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. It's 10 o'clock in the evening, December 18, 2021. You are turning into EZG 12.1 News Kids TV. For our local news today, death count from Philippine Super Typhoon continues to rise, hits 388. On December 16, 2021, Typhoon Rai, known in the Philippines as Super Typhoon Odette, brought torrential rains, violent winds, landslides, and storm surges in the provinces of Surigao del Norte and Dinagat Islands in Mindanao, in 5 provinces of Visayas, and in the islands of Palawan in Luzon before it exited the Philippine Area of Responsibility on December 17. Super Typhoon Odette was a deadly and extremely destructive super typhoon, which was the second costliest typhoon in Philippine history, behind struck the south and center of the Philippines on December 16 and 17, toppling power lines and trees, and unleashing deadly floods that also left hundreds of thousands homeless. The death count from one of the most destructive typhoons to hit Philippines in recent years rose to 388 on Monday, the government said, as disease outbreaks threatened some of the stricken areas. The Civil Defense Office in Manila raised the death count from Super Typhoon Odette to 388 with 60 others missing and hundreds injured. Police previously put the deaths at 375. Civil defense officials said more than 4 million people were receiving typhoon aid in 430 cities and towns, where about 482,000 houses were damaged or destroyed. More than 300,000 people remain in evacuation camps, with more than 200,000 others sheltering in the homes of a relative or friends. Some survivors have likened Super Typhoon Odette to Super Typhoon Yolanda, which left 7,300 people dead or missing across the central Philippines in 2013 and remains the country's deadliest on record. The Philippine archipelago gets hit by an average of 20 cyclones each year as the government rushed to bring food, water, and clothing to devastated areas. A new threat appeared in recent days, with at least 140 people falling ill from suspected contaminated water. 80 people were taken ill with acute gastroenteritis in the southern province of Dinagat Islands, while 54 people are being treated for diarrhea in hospitals on the neighboring tourist islands of Siargao. The Health Undersecretary Maria Rosario Vergeri said the central city of Cebu reported 16 diarrhea cases, where these areas suffered water interruption. Some areas still have tap water, but pipes have been damaged, and so there is a possibility of contamination. Vergeri said the typhoon also spoiled more than 4,000 doses of coronavirus vaccines and damaged 141 hospitals and clinics, only 30 of which have resumed full operations. I'm Ezra Gerald Campo reporting for EZG News Kids TV.